Okay. Now we're opening presents here. Ryler really wants to see what's going on. Can she come in? Okay.
Okay, we're going to let Ryler come in first, okay, Carrington? And Ryler gets to hold it first.
And we get turn and Ryler gets turn, right? Okay.
What did she get? What is it? Look at him, look. He's so tired. This is his pro. Yeah.
Hey, Carrington, can you back up for just a second?
Okay,
Can you back up? There we go.
All right, and we're going to let Ryler hold it because this is Ryler's gift.
Yay!
Wow, look at it. Carrington, that was so nice.
Carrington, that was nice of you.
Did you pick that one
She
up
says
first?
thank you.
Okay,
No.
Let's let Ryler open them. Okay, honey? Let Ryler open it, okay? Ryler. I know, it's very hard. It's hard. It was a little carefully. That's your present, Carrington. Hold on, wait. Let's let watch out. Let's let Ryler open up the
Okay, this is Ryler's gift from Grandma.
Someone needs to take a picture. You ready?
Yep.
Ryler, look.
Ryler,
come here. I know. It's crazy. Ryler.
We got one more gift. We got one gift.
Okay, well hold on. Ryler hasn't opened up this one yet.
What?
Come
Looking for the actual Minnie Mouse.
Only this one?
Okay, here we go. Nope.
That one?
Okay. What's this? Ready?
Carrington.
That one.
It's your very own princess doll. She's stuck with presents. She's like, what is going on? I just want the trash. Please just play with the box.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
What have you got, Ryler? You got your own doll. No, wait. Carrington, you see what she has? Carrington, you see this?
Yeah.
You see what Ryler has? What is that?
Wow.
But
Yeah.
what is it? What's on the front? It says Princess Ryler. Are you getting into it? She's not going to sit
Yep,
on
she's
yours
it.
anymore. All right.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do this one. Come here.
Let's see the
Ryler,
card.
look.
Hey, Ryan, let's see the card.
Wait, Ryler wants to open that one. She wants to open the card.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, ready? Ryler, look. Oh, look at this. This is from Granny and Mimi. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. I think those will fit Carrington. Wow. Hands on the other side.
I'll be right.
Nice. Gee.
Oh, boy.
We got the Christmas outfit. Yeah, you got Oh, look at this. Got one for Ryler. You want to wear that now?
She picked the right one?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, this was only hers.
Oh.
Right.
Carrington. Yeah, those are for Rye.
Are these for Ryler? Yeah, but I didn't get. There was no top. So
Okay.
we have to find a top that goes.
Open
And Carrington's top comes with either a red sweater or a white sweater, so I thought I'd let you pick the sweater that you want to go with it.
Hi, kiddo.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh my God.
You're gonna like you're gonna like.
Yes.
You fond of the